This breakdown examines the internal architecture of SmartFit trend channels, a regression-based market structure tool that quantifies trend behavior through statistical fit rather than fixed-length averages. The engine begins by locating swing extremes using a pivot detection algorithm, with lookback length either fixed manually or automatically scaled to the chart's timeframe. From the most recent valid pivot, the script runs a least squares linear regression across the price series, solving for slope, intercept, and average to define the channel's central trajectory. Before plotting, the source data can pass through an adaptive smoothing layer, offering a choice of 8 filter types, including SMA, EMA, RMA, double WMA, triple VWMA, HMA, a custom llama efficiency slope filter, and a Kalman filter, allowing the regression to respond to a smooth or raw price stream depending on user preference. Statistical validity is the core differentiator here. Rather than assuming every regression line is meaningful, the indicator computes a Pearson correlation coefficient, R, for each channel, measuring how tightly price actually adheres to the fitted trend line. Channels falling below a configurable fit quality threshold are visually flagged as weak fit, giving the trader an immediate read on whether the current trend structure is statistically reliable or just noise. Around the regression midline, the script derives a standard deviation envelope, scaled by a user-defined z-score multiplier, to establish upper and lower channel boundaries. An optional ADX filter can gate the confirmation logic, requiring a minimum trend strength reading before a channel break is treated as significant. When enabled, a channel merge algorithm compares the gap between a newly forming channel and the prior one, using standard deviation-based tolerance settings to determine whether the two segments should be treated as a continuous structure. Break events, where price closes decisively outside the deviation bands with sufficient statistical fit, are logged and passed to a dashboard panel displaying real-time bias, fit percentage, standard deviation, band levels, and channel bar count. The framework also outputs structured JSON payloads for 4 distinct state changes, illustrating how discretionary chart analysis can be translated into automatable, rules-based logic. Key concepts covered in this breakdown include linear regression channel construction from pivot-anchored data. Using Pearson R as a statistical filter for trend reliability. How z-score deviation bands define dynamic support and resistance zones. The role of an adaptive filter stack, including Kalman and Llama models, in shaping the regression input. ADX-based confirmation as a trend strength gate. Structuring webhook-ready JSON alerts for automation pipelines. Warning educational software for analytical purposes only. Trading involves significant risk.